Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and we are in section 1.3, and we're going to cover installing Python. Note to self, Python 2, different version than Python 3. Python 2 is old, don't use it, just use Python 3. That's all I'm going to say. There's way too much conversation about that. So let's go ahead and get installed. I am on Windows. You are on Linux or Mac. Go ahead and Google how to do this and do it on your own. As a developer, you're going to be Googling a lot of things. So you can go ahead and get started with learning that skill now. I do recommend you use official websites and documentation whenever downloading software. I recommend python.org. So if you're on Windows, we are not going to download anything because we are going to use, well, we're not going to download Python. We're going to download Chocolatey. If you don't use Chocolatey, you can just type little Choco and see if you have it on your computer. I'm on version 0.12.1, but you can go ahead and install that by using the little Google machine, and you can say Windows Chocolatey install, and you'll go to chocolatey.org, and then go ahead and just download this. If you don't get this, you can click try it now or get started or whatever, but you should get to this page. And you just follow the yellow brick road down here. You run a couple commands and boom, it's done. Really, it's just you need an execution policy and then you're off and running. You need to do this with PowerShell. If you don't have PowerShell, it tells you how to do that as well. So once you install that, you can use Chocolatey to install Python. I already have this installed, so if I go Choco, and well, it's not going to work here anyways. I need an elevated terminal whenever you install something. So I'm going to open PowerShell as an administrator. And I am just going to type Python, and you're going to see I'm running 3.10.2. Well, I want to install this for you. So I will do Choco install Python3, and you're going to see that it's going to say it's already installed. You can just hit enter right here. I'm going to type --force to reinstall it so you can see how this works. So here we go. Downloading, finds it. Do you want to run this? Yes, to all with an A. And it goes ahead and installs 64-bit Python 3 with the latest minor version of Python 3, 3 being the major version. Once this is done, if you have any environment variables that change, like the location of the word Python or anything like that, instead of closing your terminal and opening it back up, you can do something called sourcing your profile. If you type a dot, a space, a dollar, and then the word profile, you can resource your profile and then type Python and it should just work. That is how you install Python. It is really that easy. Once you open this, as you can see, I type exit with a open and close parenthesis, and that's how I get out of it. You used to be able to do this in Python too. You can type close. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. You just type exit. So anyways, that's how you install it. That's how you get in. That's how you get out. And we'll go ahead and do a couple more little house cleaning things before I actually start using this and writing programs. So good luck. If you have questions, let me know. And if not, I'll see you in the next one.